have a great, awesome new thing to show you guys today. I am trying it out for the first time myself. It's DecorRitt by Wondershare, and it's home design, quick, easy, stunning. And today we're going to try it for free. So get ready. Hold on to your seats. All right, you guys, the website is decorit.wondershare.com. I'm your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and let's try out this website. What I'm going to do is decorit.wondershare.com, decorit.wondershare.com. I'm at that website, and once you get there, I want you to click on try for free. All right, we're going to quickly get product insights. We're going to upload a background image and you can upload your own picture. You can use some of their templates, use their brush for fine editing, drag and drop furniture, generate with customized preserved areas, beautify your image to perfection. So, all right, so let's see. Let's use our own image. I'm going to just use this as a picture of the living room where I'm at right now. See if it'll clear my room. Oh, nice. Look, it took all the furniture out. I love that. That is pretty cool. See what happens here. Okay, so there's my blank room and I can start putting things in it. I needed a wider shot to step back a little further, but all in all, that was pretty good. Just waiting for it to load here on the right hand side. It's trying to give me, it thinks it's a bathroom, but it's not. Okay, so let's do furniture on the left. And let's do a couch. Let's put it in there. I like it right there, but it needs to be a little bigger because I took a weird angle of this living room. I think it's gonna generate it over here for me. And then let's do a curtain. That's gonna be on that window, but I don't know how to do that here. Let's see. So on the right hand side, it's generating what it thinks I'm doing. I'm gonna just remove this out the window. But I do like how it's putting this here in here for me. So anyway, Decor.Wondershare with Filmora. You can upload your own image just like I did here. You can download it when you're done. So, oh, I like the way that looks after I took the window out. And it's showing you what you can do to the walls, add some photos, and then your couch in here as well. And then I could download that. And what I could do in real estate with this is I could take a blank room at a empty listing, put furniture in it, and that way it shows to the potential buyers what this room could look like. I could also take this to a listing appointment and do in real time on my laptop, take a picture of the seller's house in a room and show them how to stage it, or I could show them how to do a rearranging of the furniture. So this is cool. Oh, look, there's even style guidance here. Of course, they want you to pay for some of this style guidance. Let's see, it says pro. But as a real estate agent, this is a really good feature. So let's go and change the style. We'll do it to retro futurism. Looks like they have integrated AI here, so you can write in here what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And that's really, really cool too. So decorit.wondershare.com. Use it, take pictures of your room. Before we go, I think I'm going to do one more image. Click upload. I'm going to do a kitchen. And let's tell it to clear the room. Okay, so it did a better job with this image at clearing the room because it was a better picture. I took a crazy picture. So let me click done and it should put it here on the left. All right, so now you see we have our couch in the kitchen, so let's take that out. I'm going to type in the search, the bar here, modern and fresh kitchen with farmhouse sink. Okay, so it's trying to generate on its own. I don't have to click generate. It's working. It's working. It did what I said with AI. I didn't have to drag and drop any of that furniture over. So it's a great way to take a picture of a room, change it to a different style to show your sellers or buyers some inspiration with the room they're looking at if they don't like a room. Would I use this? Yes, it's a little slow for me on the go, but definitely if I got home, had an hour or two to play around with this and upload some photos, I would definitely use this to show inspiration or show what could be in a room. Highly beneficial for all of us realtors out there. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this or if you have any other tools that you could do this exact same thing with, and I'll see you next time.